Can you apply paint protection film yourself? Yes, of course you can. Paint protection film installations are not impossible, but they do require a certain level of precision. The film is designed to protect your vehicle's surface from rock chips and scratches. If the film is not properly installed, it may look a little bit worse than before. First, we clean the vehicle thoroughly. Next, we measure and cut the film to size. I apply the film to the vehicle using a slip and tack solution. Then I use a squeegee or hard card and squeegee out any bubbles or moisture left behind. Just remember, installing paint protection film is not as easy as it looks. It can be pretty difficult to handle depending on the curve of the panel. Now, if you're patient and meticulous, do-it-yourself paint protection film is a great option and a good way to save a lot of money, but be prepared for a learning curve. Make sure to do your own research. There's many different films to choose from, and sometimes it can be a little overwhelming. Just because the product is cheaper doesn't mean it's better or is going to offer the same kind of protection that a more expensive film would have. Really thoroughly do your research and make sure the film you end up buying is the one perfect for you. So, can you install paint protection film yourself? Absolutely. But if a perfect finish is what you're looking for, the route you should probably take is a professional installation. Once again, I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro, and if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below.